we're going to do some escarpment climbing here. This is Mosier Knob. And just bear with me, guys. And we're just going to jam to some music and climb the hill. I'm on my way to the veterinarian. I think it's Brother Kane there singing, I believe. The bread maker, maybe, or Rise on Water. If you ain't never heard of Brother Kane, you need to check them out. They're pretty badass. And we'll holler at you guys later. I gotta get to the vet. Almost to the vet here. I want you guys to check this driveway out. And I love it, man, when the roads are like this, man. They're all curvy and switchbacks. And just like this right here, man. I love it when the roads are like this. Like this. I mean, man, you can't beat the scenery. Make you go slow, really check it out. Man, crater alert. Our driveway's down here on the right, fellers. I couldn't believe it, man, when I pulled in this driveway to the veterinarian. Nice little pond. It's nice. Nice. This is going to my veterinarian, man. Dr. Pepin. Man, it looks like Mushroom Central, dude. This has got to be like a grade 11, man. Maybe a grade 10. I think grade 12 is Niagara Falls. I'd say this is probably 11, 10 and a half, 11 on the grade scale. Guess you guys are probably looking at my thumb. Anyway, later, fellas.